where do you see AI figuring in your black swan, white swan, obviously white swan range, but how much of a catalyst would it actually be? Yeah.
I think long term it is incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. And tokens that are real projects. Unfortunately, a lot of projects come out and make claims about AI. I mean, I've been doing quantitative trading for years, and I was running Citi's StatArb model. We were doing what people would call machine learning, but others would call it AI to try to attract investors. I mean, AI gets hype in many things, but Bitcoin is very, very real because AI is going to consume vast amounts of data and need a digital store of value and method of transacting. There is no doubt. Arthur Hayes lays this out extremely well a few months ago. I fundamentally believe it. And I think that as more and more value is created by computer networks, having a purely digital method of transaction and value is a very big driver of Bitcoin demand. And when you look at the Bitcoin statistics of long-term holders, unique addresses, pretty much every fundamental one would care to look at, hash rates, etc., they're all up and to the right chart. And while price kind of moves all over the place, that AI narrative is extremely supportive of that long-term vision. A particular catalyst I think of in my head is something that's going to get everybody moving. It could be as simple as some would say that there's just not enough Bitcoin to satisfy the demand at these price levels. And so at some point you'll run, it will create, too much competition to buy and you'll get a bull run. And could that point be at any time? Yes, it could. Is it more likely going into and after the halving? Yeah, of course.